recycling, I decided to write a song about her. Rebecca recycles. She helps us every day, turning old into brand new from the things we throw away. She drives around the town, working all day long to help us save the planet so we can get along. Rebecca recycles plastic, metal, glass, paper. Rebecca recycles plastic, metal, glass, paper. She sorts out all the paper and the metal too. Look at all the plastic that will be made brand new. Rebecca recycles. She helps to save the trees, and the creatures in the forest are very, very pleased. Rebecca recycles plastic, metal, glass, paper. Rebecca recycles plastic, metal, glass, paper. Rebecca recycles. She keeps the oceans clean. She stops all of the plastic from floating downstream. Rebecca recycles. Rebecca recycles plastic, metal, glass, paper. Rebecca recycles plastic, metal, glass, paper. Rebecca recycles plastic, metal, glass, paper. Rebecca recycles.